Here's your drilled well. That is a big perk. The house is toast. Low-cost vacation property listings in Maine. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Moores. What you're getting is driveway, acreage, drilled well, and a little house to recycle. Or anybody got a match? Have a practice fire drill with the Linneus Fire Department. Probably make you remove the shingles first, but otherwise that might be a possibility. When you buy a property in, say, Linneus, Maine, you're handy to Drews Lake, Nickerson Lake. This is the public boat launch at Drews Lake. It is so nice first thing in the morning, or any time during the day. Hello, I'm Maine Realtor Andy Moores. Thanks for checking into our Maine Real Estate channel today. A lot of people are looking for a low-cost piece of property, but there's only so many of those in the inventory that are currently on the market. They don't stick around very long. So what's a guy or gal to do? Consider a property that had a house that may be toast, but it had a well, has a driveway, power pole, has some other utilities. It's already open. You don't have to haul a bunch of fill or get an excavator to get rid of the stumps and clear a low piece of wooded land. So what we're headed to, just happen to have one of those now that you mention it, in Linneus, almost out of town, with a good size acreage, low price tag. The house is of no value. Could have a bonfire with it, could recycle some of the timbers, but it's not a paper and paint, fix it up in one weekend. It's gone. There's no pulse, pull the white sheet over it. But there's a drilled well, there's road frontage, there's power, Houlton Water Company, which is cheap utility along the road. So this might be a low-cost vacation property listing to consider in Maine. Are you looking for a low-cost Maine vacation property? This could be it. We're at the Four Corners in Linneus. We're heading down Route 2A. Stay tuned. There's the fire department for Linneus. That concludes our tour of Linneus. Actually, Grammy's Restaurant was a pretty popular place. It's not open right now, but maybe eventually it will be. Linneus is a bedroom community for Houlton. You work in the Houlton area, or you bring your job with you and work online, because we have amazing internet, speed of thought type connectivity. But you have your Linneus for rec trails, hunting, fishing, four-wheeling right along the roads, and just basically simple living. Is that what you're looking for, or just a cheap vacation property? This Maine Real Estate would be good for both. Looking north on US 2A, or the Bangor Road. Cheap Houlton Water Company power. This is looking south on US Route 2A. Here's your drilled well. That is a big perk. The house is toast. It is beautiful out here. It's quiet because you have no industry, neighbors, traffic to speak of. Let's go inside and check it out, Andy. Nope, I don't want to give you the impression this one's fixable. It isn't. Somebody's in there, some critter. You can tell the foundation caved in. This one has been empty for decades. See the wild roses? If you had the time, you could salvage some lumber out of this and rebuild a smaller version cabin. Do you have that kind of time? Get out the hammer, let's pull out nails, let's pack and stack the lumber. There'd be a lot in this little house that you know was built with all solid boards years ago. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Moores. What you're getting is driveway, acreage, drilled well, and a little house to recycle, or anybody got a match? Have a practice fire drill with the Linneus Fire Department. Probably make you remove the shingles first, but otherwise that might be a possibility. Questions about Northern Maine? About the real estate listings? Code enforcement? Putting in a septic? Anything, reach out. We're here to help, not just to find a property, but to introduce you to the community and who the players are that you have to reach out to work through any of the puzzle pieces that you need to collect.